Welcome my dear students of class 5B to my GK class. This is the lesson you have to learn only this much things and its characteristic features, its nature. These are the things you have to learn. For Unit 5 Planet Hunt, there are some names of different planets like Mars, Jupiter, Earth, Pluto, Mercury, Venus, Neptune, Saturn, Uranus. And for invention and discoveries, bicycle, car, diesel engine, electric lamp, camera, bicycle, tire, electric iron, helicopter, microwave oven, motorcycle, submarine and tank. Now Mars. What is Mars? Mars is the planet that everyone calls a red planet. Why is it called red planet? Because its soil is rust colored, and whenever we see, we must observe there are some spots over the body of Mars, and these spots are orange colored dot, and it's way up high. That's why during dark sky, we are able to see it in open eyes. Otherwise, we have to use telescope. And next one, Jupiter. What is Jupiter? Jupiter is also another planet. It has 63 moons. Our Earth has only one moon, but Jupiter has 63 moons. And it is big in size, and without telescope we cannot see it. That's why whenever we apply telescope, we are able to see its bigness, how much big this planet is. There are some red spots over the body of this planet. The spot indicates that there is windstorm there and swirling around high in the night sky, where it is high in the night sky. That's why we are generally we use telescope to see this planet. And next one is Earth. Earth is our planet. We live here. In Earth we live. Here living atmosphere is there. Here oxygen is available, carbon dioxide is available, other important gases are available. Besides, water is available. That's why living has become possible in Earth. And Earth, what is the color of Earth? It looks, blue color from the universe. That's why this planet is known as blue color, blue planet. This planet is known as blue planet. It is blue and green and little brown in colors. And it is also known as third rock from the sun. It is also known as the third rock from the sun. And it has not many moons, but only one. Only one moon is there. That very moon is rotating around the earth, revolving around the earth. The earth is revolving around the sun, and moon also, the only one moon of earth is revolving around this earth. And next one, Pluto. What is Pluto? Pluto is another planet of the universe. It is very hard to look. We have to use telescope, otherwise you can't see this planet Pluto. And Pluto also is known as dwarf planet because it is too important. This dwarf planet, whatever name is given to this planet, dwarf planet, it can be ignored. This planet is very, it is far away. That's why far away from our Earth. That's why we need to use telescope, otherwise we can't see it. And next one, Mercury. What is Mercury? Mercury is another planet. It is very, very hot. Why it is very hot? Because it is near to sun, and it has no moon, but its orbit the sun very fast, and this planet is very close to sun. That's why this planet always remains very hot. This is known as Mercury. And another one, what is this? Another one you see, that is Venus. Another one, Venus. This is Venus. What is Venus? Venus also is another planet. It yellow and cloudy, super hot. It is very easy to spot, to identify in the sky, because it is not very far from our earth, and it looks very nice during evening sky. That's why it is known as evening star. It is known as evening star. What is this? This is Venus. What is known as evening star? Venus. Venus is known as evening star. And next one, Neptune. What is this? Neptune. Neptune is the name of Roman god of the sea. Saturn, Uranus for the another one. Old religious faith and belief of the ancient age people, they considered it to be the Roman god of the sea. The Saturn and Uranus for them also were their deities. They worshipped it. It had black spot. That means that it has a huge storm over there. The name of this planet is Neptune. Then Saturn. Saturn is a giant gas planet. It is out of in the space, and there are bonds and on stripes all over its face. And when it comes to size, it's number 2. Why? Because it has bright rings. The Saturn has bright rings, and that's an easy to prove, to identify this planet. It is known as Saturn. And next one, Uranus. Uranus also is a gaseous planet, gas planet that was off in the distance, and only recently some astronauts came to a conclusion that Uranus also had bright rings like Saturn, and it is blue and cold. It is blue and cold and far away from the earth. People say it is a funny because it spins sideways. So this is about planet hunt. And next one, inventions and discoveries. Invention and discoveries. Bicycle is invented by whom? It is invented by Kirkpatrick Macmillan. You have to just learn the names of the inventors. And who invented car? Petrol? Carl Benz invented it. Who invented diesel engine? Rudolf Diesel invented diesel engine. Who invented electric lamp? It was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Who invented camera? Kodak. Walker Eastman invented camera Kodak. And who invented bicycle tire? It is invented by John Boyd Dunlop. That's why it is named Dunlop tire. Okay, since it is discovered by Dunlop. And next, electric iron. Who invented it? Henry W. Seeley. And helicopter, Etienne Etienne Demichar. Etienne Demichar invented helicopter, and then microwave oven, Percy Baron Spencer. And motorcycle Gottlieb Daimler. Motorcycle is invented by Gottlieb Daimler. And submarine, David Bushnell. And finally, tank. Who invented tank? It is invented by Sir Ernest D. Swinton. Sir Ernest D. Swinton invented tank. So these are the names of different inventors, and the things they invented for us help us to use, and we are benefited. We are being benefited using this kind of things which were discovered, which were invented by this distinguished person, this scientist. So we are really grateful to these scientists since they invented these valuable things and presented us for using, and we have been using it, and we are becoming helpful uh, in every field, and utilizing it for our own purpose, for the purpose of society, for the purpose of the country, and for the purpose of all-round development. Up to this, my dear students, thank you.